Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this brand new Audi Q3 1.5 TFSI. It comes dressed in the progressive red colour, sure to turn heads when on the road. And to the rear of the car you have the privacy glass, giving the car's profile an air of mystery. Rolling on 20-inch alloy wheels with their 5V spoke design in matte grey, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with a centre armrest with two cup holders for those longer journeys and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control. Sinking to the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S-embossed logo and manual seating adjustments. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. Connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide selection of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. Safety is a must, and with the reversing camera to help you manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. If you like listening to your playlist, then you'll love the Sonos sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. Going in the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or for those longer journeys, selecting comfort. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to sing along to. Telephone to keep connected to loved ones when on those long journeys, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below you have the dual zone electric climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature, as well as the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected on the go with the 2 USB charging points. Finished off with the all-important automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.